Welcome back, guys. So right now we want to look at the page insights. We want to look at the insight of our page. What we are going to do is to come to the professional dashboard, and having to come to the professional dashboard, you'll see insights here. Look at insights here. You can start checking the insights from the home, and when you look at the home, it says page overview, and this is for the last 28 days. Since we created this page, we have 3 followers, we have 15 post reach and 5 post engagement. Then we have new followers, which are 3, and posts for the past 28 days is this has 11 impression and 10 post reach, post engagement, and the content says most recent content. This is where you check your insights. We don't have any ads, but this is the most recent content, which is the cover that I uploaded. And here we have audience, but it's not showing anything here. It says when you have at least 100 followers, you'll be able to see more info about your audience. So these are places you check your insights and analytics. You can easily create posts from here, and you can create ads from here. When you click on see details, it brings you to your page and you see more details about it. You see your interactions, which are reactions 5, comments 0, shares 0, photo views 0, link clicks 0, and you see hide up post, unfollowed. And another insight you can check is content. We were able to view that from the home, but now you can see the contents individually, and you see post reach to engagement 1. These are all the contents I have so far on this page, and here we have 11. So as you can see, these are the contents and these are their analytics and insights. And you can create ads from this, boost post, create ad. We will come back there. Then we have audience, the insights for audience, but it says when you have at least 100 followers, you'll be able to see more info about your audience. And that's all about insight for now. When your page starts growing, you can come on here to check for your analytics and insight. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.